Alright, we're back to the videoing. We're in
Sinabi niya kung saan daw pinapalabas. Sabi niyo, try it in UGC. Very nice country.
Very nice. Here is
Is it nice country?
Trinity College.
We're in the nice country.
The nice country. Here's our nice best friend right here who doesn't move. Okay.
We're from the tourist. You know tourist?
Tourist. Tourist. We don't know where we're going. Yeah. No.
I'm your tourist for today.
This is Abdar. This is Abdar.
You kick my dog.
You kick my dog.
You do not tell me dumb right.
You tell me.
That's so racist.
Don't tell me to pack you. I pack you.
You pack him, I pack him.
Oh, tae. Oh, my G. Oh, G.
Did you just constipate in your cell phone?
Yes, he did. He did.
Cacerola.
No.
On the way.
Let's go make some fighting moves.
So no hassle, you know?
Mag-video dyan.
Nakapost to? Ay, another video? Paano to? Oh, hey, naka-video na. Hey, you're so foggy.
Close up. Ayan siya.
This is the Dublin bus. We're going to the Dublin bus. We're going to ride there later on. And you're in right there, the weirdo.
Street Fighter.
Oh, they're going to fight. There's some video scandal, and they're very weird.
Parody.
I really don't know where I am. Am I lost or what?
We are, doing nothing. We're from Punjabi.
You're very racist.
I'm tired.
You're fucking guy.
You fucking guy. Fucking guy. I kill you. Nah, I'm just joking.
Here is the loner right here.
Tired.
He's very, very pangit.
Ah!
He likes to sit around with the shit.
Oh shit!
And will I post it or not? Will I post it to your face?
Close up. Oh man. Pimple close up.
Is this touchscreen? Touchscreen? Touchscreen.
No, it's
Oh,
not touchscreen. It's high tech. You know, that's like an iPhone.
Can I see your nipple?
No, iPhone 6. No nipple.
Can I have a look at your nipple?
No nipple business. No
Okay.
porn. This is not public porn. I'm sorry.
Will I stop it or not?
Pause mo lang.
Will I stop it or not?
Pause. Alright, we're back. Chinra here. Back in the camera. We're walking. Where are we going, lads? Lodge.
We're going down the river. Are you gonna cry me a river?
Yeah, the river.
No.
We're here to wait for Rona.
I love you, Mr. Flood.
I love you, Mr. Flood.
Mr. Flood, no.
A monkey would soon write out Shakespeare stuff.
Lang ng boss mo lang kinarinig ka.
Uy, bag mo da.
Ay, kala ko.
Bag ko da. Here's my bag right here. Galing kami in practice. We're so tired. Except for this man. He's too good. He's too good in bed.
I like sleeping.
I like sleeping.
Oh my god.
Alright.
This is so boring.
Look, we see an Asian right there. Asian hunting.
Space spot the
Right here. Spot the Asian. Fail! Fail. Oh damn, I didn't get the video da.
Hey, shut up.
Damn you.
No, you do not tell me that right.
You do not tell me damn right. Oh look, there's your truck. Alright. Daming Asian. Alright, what's our theory, Orel? Asians come out when it's raining.
So they won't get sunburned.
Vampires.
That's my theory. There's another theory that why do they have so many people in China? Well,
because they're Chinese.
No, World War II, like, you know, they might be.
Oh no,
like, armies.
no! Look, lunch is gonna go. No, don't die.
Lunch.
Don't die. Oh, it flew away.
Lunch. You need to grow up.
Oh, say hi to the bus. Hi. That was nag-hi, no? Alright, we're pausing.
here. In the inside.
Alright, we're back. Do you know how hot it is in there?
In the inside, he's saying, "Kill me now."
He's saying, "Kill me." Give him a hug, give me a hug. Wait,
Can I have a hug?
wait. Video me, I wanna hug. Oh, I wanna hug him. Look, it's a hippo.
I can't. He's molesting some child.
I think it's a hippo. From the back.
He's molesting some child. I
Hey,
can't.
wait. Let's see from the front. Oh my god, it's a hippo. And there's another hippo. Alright. Best donuts ever made. Right there.